I managed to turn my financial situation around, and today I'm here to share my secrets with you. In this video, I'll be showing you how I saved a lot of money and how you can too. So sit back, grab a pen and paper, and get ready to take notes, because you won't want to miss out on these life-changing tips. Tip 1. Change your mindset. The first step to saving a lot of money is changing your mindset. It's time to ditch those limiting beliefs that have been holding you back and adopt a new attitude towards money. Believe it or not, your thoughts and beliefs about money have a significant impact on your financial situation. So, it's time to start thinking positively about money and embracing abundance. Start by setting financial goals that excite you and visualizing yourself achieving them. This will help you stay motivated and focused on your journey towards financial freedom. Remember, the power to transform your financial situation is within you. All you have to do is believe in yourself and take action. Tip 2. Cut back on expenses. It's time to take a close look at your spending habits and identify areas where you can make some changes. You'd be surprised at how much you can save by making small adjustments to your daily routine. For instance, consider meal planning or cooking at home instead of eating out, or canceling subscriptions you don't use. Shopping around for better deals on utilities and insurance can also help you save a significant amount of money in the long run. It's all about being mindful of your spending and finding creative ways to live a fulfilling life without breaking the bank. Tip 3. Increase your income. Another powerful way to save a lot of money is to increase your income. It may sound daunting, but there are plenty of options out there to boost your earnings. You could consider asking for a raise at work, taking on a part-time job, or starting a side hustle. In today's digital age, there are endless opportunities to turn your passions into profit. Think about what you're good at and what you enjoy doing, and explore ways to monetize those skills. By increasing your income, you'll have more money to put towards your financial goals and the freedom to live the life you've always dreamed of. Tip 4. Invest and save. Investing and saving are two powerful tools that can help you save a lot of money and achieve your financial goals faster. While saving money is important, simply putting your money in a savings account isn't going to get you very far. Instead, consider investing your money in a diverse portfolio of stocks, bonds, and other investments that have the potential to grow over time. Not only will this help you build wealth, but it will also help you beat inflation and increase your purchasing power. And don't forget to continue saving money regularly. It's crucial to have a solid emergency fund and to save for big-ticket items like a down payment on a house or a child's education. By investing and saving wisely, you'll be on your way to financial freedom in no time. Tip 5. Reduce debt. We'll get to that in a second. I have a favor to ask of you. If you like this video so far, please subscribe to the channel. Reducing debt is an essential step towards achieving financial freedom. Debt can hold you back and keep you stuck in a cycle of never-ending payments and high interest rates. But don't worry, there are ways to get out of debt and take control of your financial future. Start by creating a plan to pay off your debts, prioritizing those with the highest interest rates first. Consider consolidating your debts or negotiating with your creditors to reduce your payments. It may take some time, but with dedication and discipline, you can become debt-free and enjoy the freedom that comes with financial independence. Remember, every step you take towards reducing your debt brings you closer to your financial goal. Tip 6. Practice smart shopping. Smart shopping is one of the most effective ways to save money and make the most out of your hard-earned cash. It's all about being strategic with your purchases and finding ways to get the best value for your money. Start by doing your research before making any big purchases. Read reviews, compare prices, and look for discounts and promotions. Don't be afraid to negotiate for a better deal or to walk away if the price isn't right. And when it comes to everyday shopping, consider buying in bulk, using coupons, and shopping during sales to save money. Remember, every penny you save on your purchases can be put towards your financial goals. So practice smart shopping and watch your savings grow. Tip 7. Live frugally. It's not about living a life of deprivation or sacrificing the things you love, but rather about being mindful of your spending and finding ways to live well within your means. Start by identifying areas where you can cut back on expenses, whether it's by eating out less, canceling subscriptions you don't use, or finding ways to save on your energy bill. Embrace a more minimalist lifestyle by decluttering and focusing on the things that truly bring you joy. And don't forget to celebrate your successes along the way. Every small step you take towards living frugally brings you closer to financial freedom and the life you've always dreamed of. Tip 8. Seek professional help. Sometimes, seeking professional help is the best thing you can do for your finances. Whether you're struggling with debt, trying to create a budget, or planning for retirement, a financial advisor or planner can provide the expertise and guidance you need to achieve your goals. They can help you create a personalized plan that takes into account your unique situation and help you make informed decisions about your money. Don't be afraid to ask for help. Working with a professional can give you the confidence and peace of mind you need to take control of your financial future. So take the first step and seek out a qualified professional today. You'll be glad you did. Tip 9. Track your spending. Are you struggling to get a handle on your finances? One simple but powerful tool that can help you take control is tracking your spending. By keeping tabs on every penny you spend, you can get a clear picture of where your money is going and identify areas where you can cut back. But don't worry, you don't have to be a math genius or a financial wizard to do it. There are a variety of tools and techniques you can use, from apps and spreadsheets to good old-fashioned pen and paper. Whatever method you choose, the key is to be consistent and thorough. Think of it as a journey of self-discovery, a chance to learn more about your own spending habits and patterns. You might be surprised to find that you're spending more than you thought on certain categories, like dining out or entertainment. Or you might discover that small, regular expenses are adding up faster than you realized. Tip 10. Set realistic goals. It's easy to get caught up in big, lofty goals like retiring early or buying a dream home, but without smaller, more achievable goals along the way, those big dreams can feel overwhelming and unattainable. Start by setting specific, measurable goals that are achievable within a reasonable time frame. Maybe it's paying off a credit card or saving up for a down payment on a car. Whatever your goals may be, make sure they're realistic and aligned with your values and priorities. And remember, goals aren't set in stone. It's okay to adjust them as your circumstances or priorities change. The important thing is to keep moving forward and making progress toward financial stability and security. Tip 11. Prioritize your spending. When it comes to managing your money, it's important to prioritize your spending. This means being intentional about where your money goes and making sure that it's aligned with your values and priorities. Start by identifying your essential expenses like housing, food, and transportation, and make sure those are covered first. Then, look at your discretionary spending and decide what's truly important to you. Maybe you're passionate about travel and want to set aside money for a yearly vacation. Or maybe you're focused on saving for a down payment on a home. Whatever your priorities may be, make sure you're allocating your resources accordingly. It can be tempting to spend money on things that don't really matter in the long run, like expensive clothes or fancy meals. But by prioritizing your spending and being intentional about where your money goes, you'll be able to achieve your financial goals and live a more fulfilling life. Tip 12. Stay motivated. First and foremost, remind yourself why you started this journey. Was it to pay off debt? Save for a down payment on a house? Whatever your reason, keep it at the forefront of your mind. Additionally, try to find a support system to keep you motivated. Share your goals with friends or family and encourage them to hold you accountable. Consider joining a group of like-minded individuals who are also on a path to financial wellness. Another helpful tip is to track your progress. Seeing how far you've come can be a great motivator to keep going. Celebrate your wins, no matter how small they may seem. And finally, remember that setbacks happen. Don't beat yourself up if you slip up and make a purchase you didn't plan for. Just refocus, forget, and keep moving forward towards your goals. With the right mindset and motivation, you can achieve financial freedom and live the life you've always wanted. Bonus tip: review and adjust. Congratulations on taking control of your finances and making positive changes in your life. But your work doesn't stop there. It's essential to review your progress regularly and make adjustments as needed to keep moving forward. Take a look at your goals and assess your progress. Celebrate your accomplishments and identify areas that need improvement. Are you overspending in certain categories? Do you need to increase your income? or reduce your debt more aggressively? Don't be afraid to make changes to your plan as you go. Life is unpredictable, and your financial situation can change quickly. Be flexible and willing to adjust your strategies to stay on track. And remember, staying motivated is key to long-term success. Keep visualizing your goals and remind yourself of the benefits of financial freedom. With determination and perseverance, you can achieve your dreams and live a fulfilling life.